blue doors open nice and wide, nice and wide, nice and wide. The blue doors open nice and wide, welcoming the ride. The yellow horn makes a friendly sound, friendly sound, friendly sound. The yellow horn makes a friendly sound, echoing all around. The green white birds go left and right, left and right, left and right. The green white birds go left and right on a rainy night. The purple lights go blink-a-blink, blink, blink-a-blink, blink, blink-a-blink, blink. The purple lights go blink-a-blink, blink, faster than you think. The rainbow kids go bounce and play, bounce and play, bounce and play. The rainbow kids go bounce and play, singing all the way. Hello kids, come sing along. Let's learn colors with the song. Trucks and trains and cars so bright, rolling in colors, what a sight! Look at the car, it's shiny and red. Vroom, vroom goes the engine ahead. Zooming fast, it leads the way. Red car drives all through the day. Choo-choo train, so big and blue, riding the rails with a toot-toot-toot. Through the hills and under the sky, blue train rolls as it goes by. Yellow bus goes beep, 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 picking up kids with a happy leap. Windows bright and wheels that spin, let's all hop and ride within. Green tractor in the field so wide, pulling the plow from side to side with the rumble and the growl so strong. The green machine works all day long. Orange truck is big and bold, carrying cargo heavy and cold. Down the road it rumbles on, from early dawn till the day is gone. Black bike zooms, it's fast and neat, racing riders on the street. Helmet on, the ride feels right, black bike shines in morning light. Red and blue and yellow too, green and orange and black for you. Cars and buses, trains that chime, we had fun with color rhyme. We got boxes bright and fun, let's open them one by one. What's inside? Come take a look. A big machine or a truck. I open my box, it's shiny and bright. A fire truck with flashing light. It zooms through streets with woo-woo sound to put out fires all around. I lift my lid, oh what a treat. An excavator big and neat. It digs up dirt with a giant scoop, then swings around in a big loop. I open my box, what's hiding near? A garbage truck is rolling here. It picks up trash from every street and keeps our town all clean and neat. I peek inside, what did I tow? A tow truck ready to go, go, go. It helps the cars that need a ride and pulls them safely to the side. I open my box, so sweet and cool. An ice cream truck, it's super cool. It plays a song and rings its bell and brings us treats that taste so well. I open my box and what do I find? A tall crane lifting from behind. It lifts up beams so high, so strong, to build up towers all day long. We opened our boxes, what a surprise, with trucks and machines of every size. They build, they clean, they help, they play, they work together every day. Big wheels rolling off, slow. Join us next time, don't be late. More surprises will be great.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exercise, exercise, what's inside? Let's see. Exercise, exercise, let's take it out. Break, break, break. Wow! A teddy bear comes out to hide.
1, 2, 4, and 2, 3, 4. Exercise, exercise, what's inside? Let's see. Exercise, exercise, let's take it out. Break, break, break. Wow! A shiny toy car rolls out for me.
1, 2, 3, 4. Exercise, exercise, what's inside? Let's see. Exercise, exercise, let's take it out.
Break, break, break.
Wow!
Bouncing, rolling, here's a ball. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Exercise, exercise, what's inside? Let's see. Exercise, exercise, let's take it out.
Break, break, break.
Wow! A pretty doll so sweet and kind.
Exercise, exercise, what's inside? Let's see. Exercise, exercise, let's take it out. Break, break, break. A robot friend for us today.
So many toys, let's laugh and play. Break, break.
So many toys, let's laugh and play. Ah!
Red balloon goes way up high, floating gently in the sky. Blue one spins and waves hello to the trees and birds below. Balloons, balloons, so bright and round, floating up without a sound. Colors, colors in the air, floating here and floating there. Yellow balloon shines like the sun, smiling bright at everyone. Green balloon goes left and right, bouncing in the morning light. Balloons, balloons, so bright and round, floating up without a sound. Colors, colors in the air, floating here and floating there. Balloon, balloon is full of cheer, spinning like a wheel in gear. Purple balloon says, let's play, dancing through the clouds all day. Balloons, balloons, so bright and round, floating up without a sound. Colors, colors in the air, floating here and floating there. Let's count the balloons. One red balloon goes pop, pop, pop. 2 blue balloons just never stop. 3 yellow ones fly to the moon. 4 green balloons hum a happy tune. 5 orange and purple spin around. Colorful fun is all around. Now wave goodbye up high so soon. Bye bye every happy balloon.